നമസ്കാരം. മോദി സർക്കാർ ഒരു വർഷം പൂർത്തിയാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നു. കേന്ദ്രമന്ത്രി പ്രകാശ് ജാവ്ദേക്കറാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ അതിഥി. Sir, namaskar.
Namaste.
Welcome to Madhurubhumi Show.
Yes, Mathrubhumi. I always like to be on Mathrubhumi.
NDA government has completed 1 year almost. As a minister, what's your assessment about the performance of the government for the last 1 year?
So the government has performed tremendously well on the backdrop of 10 years of inaction and many negative things. We have made the mood of the country positive and we have won the trust of the poor. That is biggest thing. See, it doesn't happen automatically that 15 crore people queue up to open the bank accounts. Some people may say that, oh, it was zero balance also and so people came. But people thought that now we are stakeholders. Otherwise, 45 years nationalization happened, but these poor were left out. Now they have joined the mainstream. Second, first time in the history of India that 8 crore people, 9 crore people now have queued up to pay premiums to buy insurance plans, be it accident benefit insurance, be it life insurance, or be it Atal Pension Yojana. Because we have banked the unbanked, secured the unsecured, and pensioned the unpensioned. And to that end, this participation of faith and trust of people in Modi government, that here is, these are the good days.
As you mentioned, there are lots of positive signs. Do you think this is actually a result of the intervention of the Modi government?
It is yes, because Modi ji provided leadership which was lacking earlier. I don't want to be uncharacteristic to Manmohan ji. We respect him because he is a good person and an eminent economist. But he was powerless. He was in office but not in power. And that is not done in democracy. The Prime Minister must be the last arbiter of power. He must be in power and he must be in office. And the power was by unconstitutional authority, Sonia ji, Rahul ji and everything. He can tear up government orders and government used to go back. So this was helplessness at its core. We have changed it. Modi is in office and Modi is in power. And that's how the democracy works. It worked in Nehru's time. It works in Atalji's time. It worked in, now is working in Modi's time. And I think this is how this nation gets, because people want leadership. And he is leading by front. He is leading from the front. That's it. He motivates team. He never interferes in our work. But he guides us through various new ideas. So whenever we meet, he comes up with so many ideas that we do it diligently.
During the election period, Modi ji and other senior leaders made lots of promises. But some opposition party leaders says that nothing has moving on the ground.
No, actually I said on black money. We promise we will take action on black money. And we are doing it. Supreme Court ordered in 2012 that SIT should be established immediately. Congress avoided it for 2.5 years. 2.5 years. Since 2011, they avoided. We formed SIT within 2.5 days. So what they avoided for 2.5 years, we completed in 2.5 days. And the SIT is progressing well, doing very well job. Supreme Court has expressed satisfaction over the functioning of SIT. And now, with bilateral cooperation increasing throughout the world, and we are joining the financial mainstream of the world, where the automatic exchange of information of financial transactions of Indians will be tracked. And also we are making rules and laws, and the new act passed against black money is a big step forward. So on black money we have acted. With foreign collaboration, how much we have gained. From each country, we have got now 35 tons of enriched uranium for our nuclear plants. It's a wonderful thing. Otherwise, we are not getting it. Now we have got a Rafale deal coming in.
When we come to your ministry, what are the achievements for the ministry?
As I said, earlier it was license permit quota raj. It was roadblock and speed brake ministry. it was regarded as tax ministry. Everything is gone. Now it's people-centric ministry. Now it's sustainable development method ministry. And it's online, it's transparent. The office game is over. Now processes are made transparent. We are taking policy-based decisions. We don't look to individual files. We don't do discrimination. We don't use discretion. We are taking policy decision. Just now I took presentation of fertilizers, pollution scenario in fertilizer industry. What should be the new norms? We have fixed the new norms. It's a policy decision. It doesn't apply to A and not to B. It applies to all. We are every day taking presentations and preparing new norms. We have standardized TORs for all 39 sectors. We have actually launched comprehensive air quality index. We have started, we have mandated polluting 2,000 industries, mandated them to fix up 24/7 pollution monitoring devices on their effluent discharge point and on their chimneys. So we are taking care of nature more aggressively.
But still, there is a feeling that you are pleasing industrial houses.
No. We are actually, industries are coming complaining now because I am putting up more stricter conditions. So they are coming complaining. And the corporates government was that of Congress. Congress did worst crony capitalism in coal mining allotment, in spectrum allotment. That was the crony capitalism, and that was the government for corporates for all wrong reasons. We are doing for genuine business, and we are doing for sustainable growth. So, development without destruction.
One of the strong criticism against the government is the Modi government is pro-corporate, not pro.
No, actually the Congress government was pro-crony capitalism. We have done away with. The Reliance gas price has come down. We have brought it down. Congress agreed to 8.4 US dollar. We have brought it to 5.16. So that's how we are doing.
But what about the land bill?
Land bill is a very important pro-farmer bill. And I am very sure that farmers ultimately will come and say that yes, do this, because it gives comprehensive rehabilitation and relief package, compensation, 4 times. 20% developed land given to farmers back, which will fetch them 100-fold price. Then 1 job per family and 2,000 rupees per acre per month for 30 years. It's a huge compensation, but compensation is not the only thing. Congress has allowed the same 13 acts, acquisition under 13 acts. They also did away with public consultation and public scrutiny. Now they want to include it, but why they avoided it?
During the land bill discussion, Rahul Gandhi alleges this is a suit-boot sarkar.
वो तो suitcase सरकार था. Theirs was a suitcase सरकार. So his criticism doesn't behove because he appears someday, disappears another day, sometimes in hibernation and sometimes hyperactive. So we don't like to comment on that.